lipstick stains on the film about my left side brains. I knew I wouldn't forget you, and so I went and let you blow my mind. Your sweet moonbeam, the smell of you in every single dream I dreamed. I knew when we collided, you're the one I had decided was one of my kind.